techJoey here with a Learn by Teaching moment. This is a new series I thought I'd try out where I myself am going through the process of learning full stack web development. And I know some of these concepts already, but I really want to get it down so I can be good at it. And so I'm going back through everything and really trying to understand it conceptually. So in order to do that, I'm going to create little videos where I try to teach it and share it to the web and see, generate some thought and help me to just get the concepts down in my own head. So here's my first in the series, hopefully, and this is on the document object model, or what I like to say, I'm a Google Chrome web browser and my user just asked me to go get google.com/index.html. What do I do? What do I do? So here's what I'm thinking. I take the request, typed into the address bar of the web browser, over to the NIC, the network interface card, and I ask them to figure out how to go out there and go get me index.html, and they do their thing, which is sending out a whole bunch of requests, or sending out the request and it coming back in a bunch of different packets, like a bunch of bicycle couriers each getting to carry a page, and they bring it back to me, and voila, I've got index.html retrieved from the IP address that translates to the nice little URL google.com. So thank you. I look at it, I start reading it, and I see some style sheets, and I see some links to some JavaScript and all that other kind of stuff, some bootstrap links, and pretending. And so I go back over to the NIC, and I ask them to retrieve those files for me as well. And they go and they get those files for me. And I'm powered by JavaScript, or at least I have JavaScript built into me, into Google Chrome as an application. So I have some fundamental understanding of JavaScript calls and methods and all that kind of thing. And I'm reading the index.html file and the connected CSS files and creating a little blueprint while I do to decide how am I going to lay all this out on a screen for my requester, so that they see everything the way it was intended to be seen. And so I read through the container, div, span, tags, H1s and Ps and all that kind of stuff, and the styles and the classes and IDs, and I lay it all out in a blueprint, which I call the document object model, which I then use to place the content on the screen in the right location depending on the screen size, and use underlying JavaScript to change those elements as requested by logic within the JavaScript through event triggers / user input, and change the way it is displayed through, again, the document object model being modified through CSS, typically by JavaScript. What do you think? Did I get it? Is that about right? Let me know what you think, guys. Thank you.